Hello everyone. How to make a loading spinner in CSS? Let's begin. First, I am created a loading spinner file. You can create any file, any folder. I am created loading spinner in my desktop. I am opening this folder in VS Code. Now, inside this folder, I am creating a file which is index.html. I am including the necessary tags using exclamation mark and pressing enter. Now the basics essential tags are included. Now I'm changing the title to like loading spinner. Now we can open that. Now we can open that file inside that folder. Now we can proceed with our coding. Now I'm going to include a division tag, div tag with a name like spinner dot spinner and press enter to and press enter to create a div tag. I'm using internal CSS here. You can use also external CSS by using the link tag here and connecting with external file. I'm not using that. I am using the internal CSS. I'm selecting that class, spinner class. I am setting the height and width to 100 pixel and width also 100 pixels. Nothing will happen. You should give the color. I am giving a border. I am giving like 1 pixel border size of the border and type of the border solid and color of the border black. Color is black. Now you can see the black box is created. Now I'm increasing the size like to 5. Now you can see the black box is created. Now I'm not need this black color. Instead of this I need like Gainsborough is this type of color. This is Gainsborough is nothing but it is a type of color. You can see here. Now you can see here it is a type of color. For the spinner, I'm using this color. You can use this color. I'm I'm going to convert this square into a circle by using border radius. Border radius 100%. Now you can see. Now you can see it is converted into circle. Also, I am increasing it to 8 pixels, which will be better. I think so. Now you can see it is better. Before proceeding, I'm going to align this entire item in center. It can be achieved by adjusting the body styles. You can give like display equal to flex. If you don't know what is the meaning of the flex, we are already uploaded a video about flex. You can check it out in our channel. Can use justify content center. It will be align the main axis to center and align items also center. This justify content and align items also I explained that in that video of the flex. Explain you clearly about what is this flex and how it is working. It is a layout model in CSS. You can check it. Check that video. Now we can proceed refreshing. Now we can see the spinner is placed in center of this entire window. Now we can now we should give like height equal to 100 vh. Sorry, 1000 is not 100 vh. 100 vh is viewport height. It will be center on the screen. You can see it will placed in center. Now we can uh, proceed with our spinner. Now we can see it is in center. I am zooming and zooming out. It will be always in center. It is a 100 vh, which means now we can proceed further. Now we should add a blue blue color to this bottom. It can be achieved by using border bottom. I'm going to give like whatever in this border, I'm going to give the same pixels here, uh, 8 pixels solid, and we can, instead of this Gainsborough, we can give like blue color for the border bottom. Now you can see the blue color is created in the border. We can also give like for the top also we can give and rotate. It is not a big deal. First I'm giving, you can also give a here top for the top blue color, and after that you can animate. I'm preferring this bottom. This final thing is we should animate this spinner in CSS by using animation time of the animation like 1 second. Type animation name, you can type any words here. You can give sp ss. I'm giving like spin for this animation name, and I'm giving like linear infinity. In linear infinity means it will be loop again and again. Linear mean it is will be in straight line. Now we need to set the keyframes for this spin animation name by using at symbol and press and type the keyframes keyword, keep keyframes, and followed by this animation name spin and curly braces. Now we should, here we should give like 100% for the full image animation. We should give under 100%. Now inside this 100%, we should give like transform. Transform is the property. Transform. Transform, we can transform it for rotate by 360 degree. 360 degree will be rotate 360 degree. Now we can refresh. Now you can see it is animation is created. Now you can see the animation is created. This rotating. You can also adjust its speed by here. I am decreasing the speed 0.5. Now it will be faster than before. If you need slow, you can give 2 seconds instead of 1 second. You can give 2 seconds for the loading. I'm giving like 1.5 second. It will be perfect, I think so. Now you can see the loading spinner is created in CSS. Now you can check our code. Now I'm going to display it in full screen. Now you can see the loading spinner is created in CSS. Kindly check our channel for more CSS tutorials. Uh, that's all about this video. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you. Thank you.